Alright guys, we're going to be reacting to episodes 5 and 6 of Chainsaw Man today. I'm actually really excited about today's episodes because, like I mentioned in one of my earlier videos, I watched up to episode 5 originally when I first started the series, so in today's reaction is going to be the first time I'm seeing completely new stuff after we finish this first episode, so I'm really excited about it. But yeah, let's just basically jump straight into it because the last 2 episodes were really insane and we basically ended off with Denji and Power in the bathroom about to get their little session on. All right, looks like we're getting right into this shit. Wow, she actually let him do it? That's fucking crazy. Bro, what the fuck? She got pads on? I'm crying. I'm crying. No, it always looked weird because when one of my viewers mentioned it in one of the last episode reactions, in her flashback when she was basically just shirtless, like she looked like she had nothing. So when I didn't know if it was just like the animation going crazy or them just trying to like hype up the scene, but I was just like, what the fuck? Is he gonna be disappointed? Yeah, I mean, he basically achieved his dream. He's like completely mind fucked right now. Like, I don't know if he was into it or is he like mad because yeah, like that's it. Yeah, yeah, I figured he probably wanted more. Hey man, you're gonna have to continue doing your side quests if you want to, you know, continue to get these types of activities. Wow, he is just fucking mind stunned off of this shit. She's so freaking messy. Ooh, I like the fits. The fits are nice. Oh damn, she actually has some fucking going through all that shit, signing paperwork. Oh, God, what is wrong with him? He's like a fucking zombie. I don't think it's bothering him. He's just fucking... You know, honestly, that's actually a really good point. A lot of people, they're very ambitious, you know, they kind of set their goals in like a certain way, and once they achieve it, similar to Denji, now that he realized, he's like, damn, like that wasn't really all that I thought it was. Like everybody hyped this up, everybody tried to make it seem like way crazier than it's supposed to be. It wasn't really all that. They kind of just lose like that ambition, that lack of motivation. They feel like, why am I here? You know, should I even be doing these things? So it honestly, now that I think about it, and after he said it, it does make a lot of sense why he's acting like that. Also because of the fact that that was kind of just like a one-time thing. It's not like it's going to be like a consistent thing, unfortunately, for him. Good point. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Denji-kun, エッチなことはね、相手のことを理解すればするほど気持ちよくなれると私は思うんだ。
She seems like she got that experience.
相手の心を理解するのは難しいことだから。手のひらは冷たい、温かい。耳の形は
I'm gonna say this every fucking episode until I actually find out like what's going on. I really want to know why is it that she's able to get people like this? Like every character interaction that I've seen with her, whether it be Denji, Power, Hayakawa, other than like those Gorosei people that we saw earlier in a different episode, she just has people in like complete checks, just submit to her at will. Like I don't know if it's just like her personality, the way she speaks. Does she have some type of ability? Is it her fucking crazy fucking eyes? Like I don't know what it is, but I'm super interested to see why it is that she's like this, and kind of scared, to be honest.
美を噛まれたことはある？
Ooh.
覚えて。Denji君の目が見えなくなっても、
she's getting a little freaky.
私の噛む力で私だってわかるくらいに。
Oh
覚え
my
て。
Oh my fucking god. What the fuck? This bitch is crazy, but I like it. Oh my god, this bitch is wiping her lip too. Nah, this is crazy.
覚えました。
And she let him fucking do it too. No fucking shame. She went straight for it. He just fucking had like a heart attack. What the fuck? Oh my god, she's not done yet? Oh my god.
デンジ君、お願いがあるんだけど、いいかな。
Holy fucking shit.
銃の悪魔を倒してほしいの。
The gun devil?
銃の悪魔。
私が君の願い事、何でも一つ叶えてあげる。
That's quite the claim, Makima.
デン
Would
ジ
you
君
actually
が
do it?
銃の悪魔を殺せたら、マキマさんが俺の願い事。
あの、その日に銃の悪魔が現れた。
これが僕の住んでいるところ。
Also, I wonder if there are any, I'm sure there are. I was going to say, are there any devils that are similar to Denji in which they're human-esque, like they take on that human appearance, have like a devil inside their heart, similar to Pochita? Maybe that's something that could happen in the future. That would be interesting.
太陽が元気な時なんてないじゃん。
That looks like fucking Hayakawa. Or I don't know if these characters are unrelated or if this is just like a skip to a flashback or something, but we'll see, I guess.
僕、お兄ちゃんと遊びたい。
Oh shit, okay. Straight to it then. Animation is really nice in that scene, even though it was kind of like a still shot. I could appreciate it.
バカ、やめろって言ってるだろ。
Oh, this is nice. Wow, nice animation right there. Detail in the snow.
冷て。
Nice OST as well.
お前が風邪ひくと、俺が怒られんだよ。
He looked like he already had a cold. He can't catch another one.
キャッチボールなら手冷たくならないだろ。
Oh, that's nice. What the fuck? What the fuck? That was so random. Like, what was that? Just fucking wind? Like, what the fuck just happened? Holy oh fuck! The whole fucking house just like obliterated. Is that the gun devil? I guess.
5分弱で120
In a little under 5 minutes, 1.2 million people were killed. From that, was that just like fucking one shot?
万人を殺した後、銃の悪魔は今日まで姿
Oh
を
my
消して
god! Holy shit!
くなった。
Right, she said earlier, fearing them makes them
銃の
stronger.
悪魔を少しでも弱くするために、銃所持の基本厳罰化。
大丈夫いでしょ
He needs some type of
それな
training
らま
though.
ずは
I don't think he could
銃
just
の
beat
悪
it
魔を見
raw.
つけなきゃだね。銃の悪魔の力で、どんな悪魔でも力を増すの。ほら、くっついた。
は
銃の悪魔はとっても強い悪魔だからね。この肉片がある程度の大きさになれば、元の体の場所に戻ろうとするみたい。
Oh,
だから
okay.
この肉片をもっと大きくすれば、銃の悪魔にたどり着く。
見つけました
Gotcha.
や
What the
っぱ
fuck
り
is
ジン野郎
that?
の肉片食べ
What the fuck? Is that like a fuck? Are those just like eggs?
どっちでもやることは同じです悪魔は全部殺すその先に
Oh shit. Oh my, I knew it looked just like him. Oh man, damn. Yeah, so he definitely has he definitely has an agenda opposed to Denji. You know, Denji just wanted to fuck basically. God, but I wonder like, is he gonna be, is Hayakawa gonna continue to be into this even after they find and kill the gun devil? And honestly, it makes a lot of sense now, like for him pressing Denji, where, you know, he actually has like a vendetta against this devil, opposed to Denji just basically doing this just for the fuck of it. So I understand where he came from when, you know, he was being a dick.
を食べている悪魔です。
Okay, so they're
公
gonna have
安
to be
大麻
careful.
得意4課6人を出動させます。
Oh shit, we got the squad right here.
は何の得もねえのに誰がてめえに敬語使うかよ。
Why is he giving them gum?
早川先輩。
先輩
Oh, I'm dead.
やり
That's a fucking thumbnail right there.
こいつらに背中は任せない。悪魔駆除には基本この二人を先行させる。逃げたり悪魔に寝返った場合は俺たちが殺す。
畜生みたいな扱いじゃな。
お前らに人権はない。
あれかけたと思ったらすぐ仕事だ。褒美くれ。
Bro, you got your reward already. What the fuck?
私が一肌脱いでやろう。今回の悪魔を倒した人にはなんと私がほっぺにキスしてあげまーす。
What the fuck?
そんなことはやめてください。
Oh, this dude's one of those too. Oh, she is super like sexual. Denji, you should be fighting for that though. We shouldn't be going for everything we
キスは
see.
俺もいいや。大丈夫。
Hey, there you
や
go.
る気はあっから。
Hey, let's fucking go.
俺は初めての銃は誰にするか決めてんだ。その人のために肉片だかなんだかを集めてよ。銃の悪魔をぶっ殺すまでキスはしねえ。
Oh shit, he put that little restraint on himself.
アキくんの前でそれを言うか。
それに俺は大切なことを教わった。エッチなことは理解し合った人間同士でするから気持ちがいいんだ。名前も知らねえあんたの唇には興味ないね。
Hey, let's go. He's not a bitch no more.
じゃあデンジ君が悪魔を倒したらベロ入れたキスしてあげる。
Look at this, bro. Look. Yo, I can't with this fucking guy, man.
あの子だ危険だ。止まれ。
男の子からかうのが一番面白いや。どうしよう。血が飲みたい。
危険だ。止まれって言ってるだろ。
Damn, he's going straight for it. He don't even give a fuck. Oh, her name is Himeno.
そのチンピラに唇を奪われるくらいならほっぺのキスは俺がもらう。
アキくんは死なないでね。
So it seems she's clearly the strongest or the most intelligent of the three. These three like devil things, whatever the fuck they are. Their contract. Is this Aki's flashback again?
姫野、お前の新しいバディだ。無礼だが少しは使えるように育てた。うまくやれ。
Okay, so this is how they got together.
君は使えるの？
さあ。
Oh shit, is she mourning a partner? Is this kind of like her fucking trope? Like everybody that she has, especially that don't die. I mean, she's like so used to people dying.
私のバディ、君で6人目。
Yep, you're gonna be my sixth
全員死
partner.
んでるの。使えない雑魚だから全員死んだ。アキくんは死なないでね。
Oh shit. Alright, it's starting to get deep. I'm liking the characterization now. We're actually starting to get
お前
somewhere.
が持った肉片本当に信用できんのか？
What the fuck? Oh damn, that thing is fast as fuck. Oh shit. Good shit, Power. That was also a crazy ass fucking thumbnail.
悪魔め、わしにビビって浮き合ったわ。違う、私の力。
What the fuck was her power?
私は幽霊の悪魔と契約してるの。
The ghost devil.
私の右目を食べさせた代わりにゴーストの右手を使えるってわけ。
Oh.
私のゴースト、透明で力持ちで便利でしょ。
That's badass. I like
どう、
that.
アキくん。いつでも首を絞め殺せるぞ。
Yeah, what the fuck are you gonna do about that? You can't see that shit. Yeah, stay in lane, bitch.
めんどくさいから仲良くやろうよ。
少し静かに。
Oh shit. Is this the thing where like they keep going in like fucking circles? Is that like what's going on?
どうした？俺たち今
階段降りていったよね。
Oh man, they got him in the fucking loop right now. Alrighty, so episode 5 was pretty interesting. Like I said earlier, that was the last episode that I've initially seen. So moving forward, 6 through 12 or 13, however many there are, I've never seen these episodes. I don't know anything that happens. I luckily didn't get spoiled on anything either, so I'm really excited to watch the rest of this. But yeah, let's just jump straight into it because I'm looking forward to it. Yep, same shit. Why is she bugging out like that? Is it like... Is this like a fucking an illusion devil or something? Okay, so you can enter rooms on the floor. Oh, I didn't even see that. That's crazy. So what's in this building? Oh shit, what the fuck? That's crazy. So are they trapped? Yep. That's also a good piece of information to know. So anything that's affected by any devil will automatically be released upon killing them or their death. That's an interesting piece of information.
半分無理やりなんです。親が優秀な兄だけは大学に行かせたいからって私に働かせたんです。風俗かデビルハンターしか選択肢なかったんです。
God damn, that's fucking brutal.
私も大学に行きたかったんです。
Oh man, I feel bad. Well, her name is Kobani. I feel bad for her. Is she gonna laugh? Oh god. What the fuck?
アキくんまでどうしたの？
What you thinking about, Aki?
部屋の時計、さっきから8時18分です。どの部屋の時計も8時18分で止まっていました。
The mystery deepens.
この8階だけ悪魔の力で時間が止まっている可能性があります。
Oh, like a time devil.
助けは来ないかもしれません。
すげえ。じゃあ寝放題じゃねえか。
This dumbass.
赤か貴様は。
They're about to beat the shit out of him. Like, you're not taking this serious at all, bro? Okay, so we got some provisions.
みんな参ってきてるんだよ。アキくんはずーっと悪魔探してる。少しは
Because he's a
休んだらって
beast.
言っても聞いてくれない。
He's a fucking beast, man.
新井くんも最初こそアキくんを手伝ってたんだけど、今は状況に怖がって部屋に閉じこもってる。
Oh
ベ
god.
ニちゃんはおかしくなってトイレの水を飲もうとしたから気絶させた。
Oh my
それ
god.
でわしは暇だからノーベル賞を考えておった。
What the fuck?
その後はノーベル賞を踏み台にわしは総理大臣になる。
Alright, so she fucking lost it.
見たいからの。手始めに消費税は 100% じゃ。
She's fucking retarded. I can't. Damn, they're really messed up over this, which I mean, I understand. Like, you know, it's similar to a Groundhog's Day effect, but you don't actually pass time and you literally can't leave the area. So it's just kind of like you just exist and nothing is happening.
依存できるもんがあるといいよね。何かに寄りかかっていきたい人生ですよ。
それあいつと同じタバコじゃん。
そりゃあきくんにタバコの味を教えたのは私だもん。ないの？
I liked her with her hair longer, to be honest. It's great for socializing. You should start. That's crazy peer pressure.
なんで公安来たのか当ててあげる。10の悪魔を殺すためでしょ。公安に来る暗めの人は全員そうだから。
Nice little
公安だけ
OST.
が10野郎の肉片持つこと許されてるもんね。デビルハンターなんて短命なんだから吸っちゃえばいいのに。
俺は簡単には死なない。
そうしてね。バディが死ぬのは面倒だからさ。
What the fuck?
なんだ今の。
あれは前のバディの彼女さん。
My old partner's
死んだ
girlfriend.
バディの遺族とかとトラブルになるのはよくあること。悪魔に仕返しできる力がないから。 私に当たるの。
That's fucked up.
そういうのもデビルハンターの仕事のうちだって思うことにしてるけど。
Oh, yo, this is why he's the GOAT, man. I've been saying this since episode 2. My man right here. About to put this bitch in place. Let me see this.
何してきたの？
殴ったやつの服にこっそりガムつけてやった。
What a GOAT, man. What a GOAT.
やられたらやり返すべきだ。あんたの問題じゃない。俺がムカつくんだ。
Let's go.
ざまあみろ。あいつは服についてるガムに気づかず生きていくんだ。
This fuck the Makima shit. This is the true shit right here. I'm here for this day one. Day one, as of today, we are here for the Himeno Aki fucking shit. And I'm sailing that shit through each part of the fucking sea. Oh yeah, I'm down with this.
悪魔が恐れるデビルハンターは強いやつでも勇敢なやつでもないって。頭のネジがぶっ飛んでるやつだって。だからアキ君は長生きできそう。
Denji has a screw loose as well. Damn, she's really pressuring my boy. Really on this pressure shit. You gonna do it?
一本だけ吸ってやる。一生で吸うタバコは。じゃあ、それくださいよ。
しょうがないな。
Yo, I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. I always could call this shit, bro. I know it's gonna happen. I feel it in my... Just like cigarettes bad for your bones, I can feel that shit in my bones.
黙れ。悪いニュースがある。俺たちが殺した悪魔がいたろ。
It's
わしが
gone?
殺したやつじゃな。
そいつがどんどん大きくなってる。
What do you mean? What the fuck do you mean by that? What the fuck? Oh, Jesus
確
Christ.
かにわしが殺したはずじゃ。ホテルから出られない。見たこともない形状。そうしたら他のデビルハンターは全員無事に外へ返す。
What the fuck? It's aware of Denji? What the fuck? Oh my god. She's fucking suffering from this is similar to like Danganronpa. Like they start to freak out and like they literally will turn on you, turn psycho because they just want to fucking get out. Like their body and mind can't take that shit. Oh shit. Okay, my boy Aki. Good shit, Himeno. She on some bullshit. She needs to be put out. She's over here trying to drink toilet bowl water and shit. Yeah, she needs to sit the fuck down.
ないな。アキ君、キツネで飲み込めば終わるんじゃない？
コン。やっぱりキツネは来ませんね。
Doesn't work in here. Okay, so Himeno could actually take it on. Oh, is it getting bigger? Or is it just coming forward? Inside my stomach. Oh.
私と契約する以外生きては帰れない。
その悪魔の契約を受けるべきです。
悪魔はデンジを殺したがっている。デンジの死が悪魔側の利益になるんだろう。だから契約は受けない。
じゃあ私も。
But see, that's true, but I also want to know like why are they aware of him? Like, you know, he just kind of came into the picture. This is honestly his first mission other than, you know, the first episode and fighting the Bat Devil and Leech Demon, whatever the fuck. His presence is known by something or someone. So that's the more important thing here, in my opinion.
わしが殺す派じゃ。ノーベル賞を思いついても外に出られなければ発表できないからな。
You ain't winning shit power.
殺すのは悪魔だけだ。
Yup. Spit. Spit.
暇だから押し相撲するか。
すぐ俺を殺そうとするからやだ。
She's fucking crazy.
だけどこのままじゃ餓死しちゃうぞ。
I really can't even think of a
どうしよう
possibility.
もなくなったら刀を使います。
それはダメ。
Huh?
刀使えば解決できんならよ。使えばいいじゃん。
どうしようもなくなっても刀は使わない。
Mm.
その時は悪いけど。
デンジ君が死んで。
Okay, so that's interesting. What is the importance of this sword? Is it like something where I'm gonna take a guess here based off of how insistent she is on him not dying? I'm assuming something with the sword can either kill him by using it or something of that nature, because that would be the only reason I feel like she would be like, no, don't do this, and we will literally kill you, Denji.
ベッドに置いておいた食料が全部ない。
Who ate it? Power? Power ate that shit. I know she did. Yep. Yep, of course she did.
分かっちゃった。
What the fuck? Yo, what is up with this girl?
違うが。
落ち着けコベリちゃん。こいつは血の魔人で。
マジをかばうの大だったんだ。
酸っぱいじゃん。
悪魔の仲間なんかじゃ。
Okay. Is the fear what's making it grow? Is that what's happening right now? Gotcha. Power, knock her out. Power, knock them the fuck out. Power, knock them the fuck out. The Eternity Devil. That's a nice name. Let's go. Did Power just fucking blast them? Is that what happened? Or the building is just going insane because this thing is moving? That's probably what it is, I guess.
刀を使う。いいですよね。
Oh shit.
姫野先輩。
She's dead serious about that.
その刀を使えば外には出られるだろうけど、使うと契約でアキ君の寿命がかなり減るの。
Called it. Fucking mega brain right there. Yo, bro, get the fuck off. Oh shit. Oh my god, yo, this dude, I'm telling you guys, this guy is fucking the GOAT of this show. I don't care what anybody says. I don't care if he's the typical fucking like emo, depressed, fucking Megumi, Sasuke type character. I don't care what this dude is. He's goated, and I feel like Himeno is about to fucking flip on this bitch. Oh shit.
確かにそいつは刺されても仕方のない音している。俺一人じゃ銃の悪魔を殺せないんだ。
Oh man, and he's accepting it.
立ち向かう機会のあるデビルハンターが。
Let's fucking go, Aki.
欲しい。俺の寿命を減らしてでも天地は殺させない。
Let's fucking go. Goated.
お前血の魔人なんだろ。こいつの血止められるか。
わしが自由に操れるのは自分の血だけじゃ。他人の血は難儀じゃが。
Well, you better make that shit work, Power. This girl needs to shut the fuck up. Like, this is getting very annoying with her.
ああ、はいはい。じゃあ食われてやら。
Oh, Denji. Denji better go fucking body this shit.
攻撃を受けた時に痛いって言ってやがった。
Denji's fucking master brain right now. That's the plan. We're gonna go fucking body him. Hey, listen, he's the GOAT. Don't be mad at him.
もううんざりなんだよ。外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな。
Facts. Let's go. Rev that shit, Denji. Oh shit. Oh, I already know they're about to cliffhanger me. I fucking know they are. I know they are. I know I only said that I was going to react to episodes 5 and 6, but this is too crazy not to react to the next one. So we're going to do 7 in this episode as well. Let's go, Denji. Let's rev that shit, Denji. Let's fucking go. Damn, he jumped straight into that fucking thing's mouth. He didn't even give a shit. Let's go, Denji. Let's fucking go. We're getting fucking crazy now. Yeah, here we go, baby. Fucking rev them shits. Holy shit, let's fucking go. I think this is the first time that Hayakawa seeing him in the fucking chainsaw state as well. And then obviously we have Himeno and all of them too. Because when they saved him last time, he was kind of just like in a freak state. He hasn't been like this since he's fought the Bad Devil. So it's been a minute. Yeah, it's pointless my ass. You gotta be getting this ass whooping for an eternity. Damn, Denji's a fucking beast, bro. Holy shit. He's fucking ripping flesh and everything. Oh, shit. Power needs to help him or some shit. God damn. Damn, Denji's getting fucking ripped. They're about to rip his fucking limbs off. Holy shit. Oh, shit. They retracted. They retracted. Oh, fuck. What is he gonna do? What is he gonna do, guys? I'm fucking nervous. Oh, what the fuck? Okay. That's fucking disgusting, but I guess fuck it. Yup, that's what I said that earlier. I said that fucking earlier. So you just gotta like just pull up on them basically. Yeah, she's saying.
お前もだがな、10野郎をぶっ殺したいなんて大体のデビルハンターが思ってる。悪魔も理解できんもんは怖がるもんだ。
師匠、酒飲み好きですよ。
はい、それまとも。
It's funny how Himeno is peer pressuring Hayakawa to smoke, but then she's telling, I guess, her boss or whoever he is, stop drinking and shit. Yeah. And you may have to be ready to mourn another teammate's death if he's not able to do it. But I'm sure Denji will fucking save him. This is just like a very random thought, but I always tend to think about these types of things. I have a very strong feeling at some point in this series, I'm not sure if in season 1 or, you know, continued into the manga, I have a feeling she's gonna die, and I'm gonna be fucking upset as hell if it happens. Just food for thought, something that's kind of in my mind right now. She really doesn't want him to die. It's too powerful. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, man. They're gonna get together. Don't worry, we got fucking Denji, the fucking freak of fucking nature, bro. Let's go. Holy shit, his whole fucking head just spun. Oh, she can rev it for him? That's fucking crazy. It's gonna be like a never-ending battle. Oh, you're so fucked, buddy. He's going absolutely crazy. Yeah, he is gonna fucking kill that fucking gun devil. He ain't playing. God damn, it's been 3 days he's been fighting? Holy shit. Let's fucking go. They're finally fucking out. He went beast mode on that shit. Yeah, you better fucking pass the fuck out, dog. Yeah, they need some food. My man Denji needs his kiss. Don't fucking forget that. He ain't sleeping on that shit. Ooh. See, now I'm mad I met the two of them, or I met Himeno, because I'm super on the Makima wave, but as far as Denji, but I know he's all in it for Makima, and she clearly likes him. So, oh man, this is gonna irritate me. This is gonna fucking irritate me.
デンジ君って何者だと思う？相手の悪魔がデンジ君のこと知ってたの？
That's what I'm saying. Now we're asking the real questions.
一番謎なのが、あのマキマさんがデンジ君を気にかけてること。マキマさん、あちこちに行くのに最近は東京にいるのってデンジ君がいるからでしょ？デンジ君の秘密を知ってるからなのかも。
It's getting interesting.
マキマさん呼ばせて聞いてみようか。
That's also a good opportunity. Is she coming to this little fucking party? Is that? I thought she was supposed to be coming. Who are these other people?
飲むの半年ぶりです。私も家で少し飲むくらいですね。
のけ刺身は全部わしのじゃ。
なんだこれ、うまそう。
道に迷っちゃって。
Okay, here she is. Oh, they call her Kobe?
マキマさん遅れてくる。
I like that name better. 3 parfaits. Is this all on the team? Because they're gonna go all out tonight. I can feel it.
美味しいご飯初めて食べました。
わしのじゃ。
This fucking greedy bitch, man.
人は連れてこなかったんですか？
Oh yeah, he can't read. Yeah, I remember that. He basically had like no upbringing.
キスの件は。
おー、シラフじゃ恥ずかしいからさ、もっと酔ったらしてあげる。
Oh shit. Oh shit.
濃いやつかましてやるからさ。
Oh, she one of those.
みんなで殺そうとしたこと許してね。
ああ、もう超許すよ。超。
手の内は信用した人間にしか見せちゃいけないぞ。
True.
相変わらず硬いやつだな。
Yo, Aki's goaded, man.
大丈夫、大丈夫でしょ。あんた酒飲んでないよね。
Yeah, he's a baby.
私は荒井宏和です。22歳。契約している悪魔はキツネ。趣味は俳句です。
What the
あや
fuck?
ぱいと契約してる悪魔同じじゃん。
私の同期ももう公安にいないし。
デンジ君は私とキスしたいから死なないもんね。
Yes, he does.
姫野は酔えばキスマンになるんだ。
Yeah, she is super drunk.
みんな姫野にキスされてるよ。逃げられねえからな。
Is that gonna make him want it less now?
確定キスじゃん。
Oh.
俺、今日、ファーストキスしちゃうんだ。
Yo, Makima, I can tell you exactly what's gonna happen. It's gonna like potentially happen, and Makima's gonna walk in. If Makima somehow actually kisses him here, that's when we're gonna go crazy. But that's my little prediction.
キス？
What'd I say? What the fuck did I say? What the fuck did I say about this creepy bitch?
デンジ君、誰かとキスするの？
しません。
デンジ君キスしないの？
しまーす。
He's not gonna do it in front of Makima.
生もう一つ。
でも同じくらい強い気持ちで、やっぱりペロ
Oh
キスしたい。
man, this conflicting, man. Conflicting, Denji. What are we gonna do?
私より飲んだら教えてあげる。
Oh, so she got like a playful side.
すいません。生2つ。
私もそれやる。生もう一つ。バサス、唐揚げ、バサス。
唐揚げ。
Yeah, this is about to get crazy. This is about to get crazy. Holy fuck. Of course.
でもすごいよ。
She's the fucking, she's the
殺人衝
demon.
動を抑えられてる魔人はとっても少ないんだよ。
Yeah, shut the fuck up, Power. Ooh, what's going on here?
おや。
What the fuck? All right, now we get, hold on, I was not ready for that. Damn, this horny bitch, bro, she is crazy. Damn, she is giving intense fucking eye locking right here.
この感触がした。気持ちいい。
Holy fuck, that's crazy.
なんだこれ。した？
When's Makima coming? Makima's coming.
したじゃない。ゲロだ。
That is by far one of the nastiest things I've ever seen. if that ever happens to me, I don't even know how I would react. That's fucking disgusting. Oh god, is she about to go out too?
トラウマだなこりゃ。
あらら、すいません。何か深み
Oh man, and that was his first kiss too. Oh man, Denji.
デンジは口に入れた栄養になればもう飲み込む癖があるんじゃ。
Ew, oh, that's fucking nasty as shit.
落ちた。これ食えそうだぜ。
Oh man. Oh, that's what she meant by she'll make it juicy. Oh god. Oh, we're still on the vomit flow. Hey man, at least you can aim for a better one as the second one. That's all I can say on that.
あれ、デンジ君は？
デンジ君なら姫野先輩が背負って連れて行きましたよ。
Himeno took him? Oh fuck, what the fuck? Yep, he is. He definitely is.
あんなクソ女やめときゃいいのに。もう
Hey, don't be calling my girl that.
もうあんな照れちゃってさ。
I mean, low key. Makima's still the GOAT, but Himeno is a very, very, very close second. We'll just keep it at that though.
もう牛。しちゃう。
Alright, yeah, so that's about to get fucking crazy. I have no idea what's gonna happen with that. Very dramatic flip of mood. Like I was not expecting that at all. It really was nice to kind of see the characters get out of their element, you know, drink, have fun, and just, you know, interact with each other, you know, as Himeno said, you know, kind of become more one with the team and shit like that. But man, I don't know if she's just fucking drunk or if she's like, maybe it's that she's trying to satisfy Denji to the max so he will 100% kill the gun devil, so Aki will stay alive. That can also be a reason why she's literally like trying to fuck him and seduce him right now. Insane 3 episodes, that's probably my favorite arc of the series so far, and I'm definitely team Aki and team Himeno. Those are my 2 favorite characters as of right now, and I'm definitely excited to see where the rest of the series goes. But with that being said, let me know in the comments what you guys thought about today's episodes, and I will see you in the next one. Later.